In a major crackdown on the illegal drug trade, Sonpur District Police have busted an illegal cough syrup smuggling operation and seized a huge consignment of contraband. Acting on specific intelligence, police intercepted a vehicle transporting cough syrup from neighboring Bargat district through Sonpur and recovered as many as 9,000 bottles. The seized cough syrup is estimated to be worth around rupees 18 lakh. One accused involved in the transportation has been arrested in connection with the case. Providing details, Sonpur Superintendent of Police Narayan Naik said the district police have intensified their drive against illegal drug trafficking. Over the past year, police have seized nearly 12,000 bottles of cough syrup with a cumulative market value of around rupees 60 lakh, indicating the scale of the illegal trade operating in the region. So far, 12 people have been arrested in multiple cases linked to cough syrup smuggling. Police have also seized 5 four-wheelers and 2 motorcycles used to transport the contraband. The seized crackdown reflects the Sonpur police firm commitment to dismantling drug networks and protecting youths from substance abuse. Authorities have reiterated that strict surveillance and enforcement will continue to curb such illegal activities in the district.
आज आप देखुं रामपुर पुलिस स्टेशन अंडर रे आमर पाखापाखि 9,000 बटल्स कफ सिरप जप्ती होती आउ दुईटा गाड़ी गोटे महिंद्रा मैक्स और गोटे होंडा कार जप्ती होती तर जड़े जे ट्रांसपोर्टर ताको भी गिरफ्त कर जो लोक मैंने एस्केप कर भी धरबार जोरसोर उद्यम चली आउ मुख्यतः विश्वास आप देखुं जो 9,000 बटल अच्छी यार सरकारी मूल्य मोर देन 18 लाख अच्छी आउ जदि बजार मूल्य देखा जाए ताले ये पाखापाखि 40 लाख रु 40 ରୁ 45 ଲକ୍ଷର ये मार्केट वैल्यू बहन करुच्ची जदि 8 to 9 months भितर देखा ताले आमर टोटाल 8 केसेस रजिस्टर्ड होती पाखापाखि 12,000 बटल्स कफ सिरप जप्ती होती जार मार्केट वैल्यू पाखापाखि 60 lakhs